So my motive is to tell you that don't take it as a grammar or translation, take it as a connection, as a daily part of your life. That what is your need and what is your greed. What do I mean by this? What is your need? Suppose if you are a student, if you are a working person, or if you are a housewife, so your needs are totally different. If you are a student, maybe you want to learn something technical and there are so many subjects. So you can't avoid that. You start reading related with that. Our mind always work on need. If you are not working what is needed for you, you are not going to do it for a long time. So start reading something, whatever you feel that it's a need for me. Okay. And what is your greed? Greed is something like, suppose whatever you are in the present situation, but you want to be something and you want to learn something new, whatever you like. What is your greed? Like, for example, if you are a student but you want to go in public speaking, or if you want to in future you will go abroad, so you want to learn English, so you can read something in English and related with that, some body language or something confidence. And if you are working, so in future you want to do something else, so you can read related with that, like financial management or share market or health related something, anything. So start with the storybooks and what is your need and what is your greed. In this way you will find what you like, because no matter how many things I will suggest you, you are not going to do that, because that is not your personal choice. I am just throwing it. Your mind is not going to accept. So you are responsible for you. So identify what is your need, what is your greed. With the light materials, suppose you are liking novels, so you can go with that. Okay, because that will give you a connection. You feel connect with that language, and that connection is important, because language learning is not a subject, it's an emotional part of your brain. And in this way you will get it easy. Maybe in the beginning you can feel some difficulties, but when you do it, when you will continue it, for 15 to 30 days, you will enjoy it a lot.